So today we have Olsa's new Gearless Ratchet. So there is no teeth in here. Theoretically, you don't really have much for backlash, minus the bit of play that's in the unit. So if you want to switch directions, you just push this thing through. Now what I love about this little guy, because of the size of it, it's small, right? But it fits in your palm nicely, so you can get nice tight places, basically having a hand ratchet. Right, so, or palm ratchet I should say. So like here, you can get up in here. So as you can see, nice tight workspace, but this works nice, especially for this kind of stuff. Then we get nice and tight. See, I really don't have much, right? So I really don't even have to move it much. Watch this. Just go back, and it's already getting into the next section of bite in the ratchet. So again, this won't be for any kind of heavy duty jobs, but this kind of stuff where you're limited in space, this thing just rocks.